Guys, hey, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we're building a really awesome system. Take a peek at it. Let me know what you think. If you like what you see, make sure to hit that like button. If you like what you see even more, hit that sub button. And we'll see you every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday over at twitch.tv/Stince, where we build these PCs you see right here live at 10 a.m. Eastern, Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays at twitch.tv/Stince. See you soon. Good morning. Welcome in. This camera, see, everything's messed up. My desk got smashed by a box and knocked over one of our cameras, which if you guys know, we mount the cameras on a desk on a pole. All the wires tucked nice and neatly. We have one here, we have one back over here. This is our main camera you see during the stream. This one right here. But knocked it off. The camera smacked to the ground. Sorry, that's probably loud. And then the lens, everything was fine, but the flash popped up. I was like, oh shit. Yo, camera down. Lumix, thank you for being a pretty hard polymer plastic. It took the brunt. So today's build, let's talk about today's build. It's for Kazuma. He's been part of our community. He's bought he wants to get a keyboard from us. He's bought a stream PC from us. This is his new PC, gaming PC upgrade. It's very similar specs to what we have right here in the system right here. So we're starting off with the AMD Ryzen 7 5800X. 8-core CPU from Ryzen's new 5th gen CPU. We're putting that on the MSI B550 Gaming Edge Wi-Fi. Beautiful build. One of our favorite, it's one of our two favorite B550 boards. It's either the Strix Wi-Fi or it's the Gaming Edge Wi-Fi. Two favorite boards right now. We're using the Crucial Ballistix, a 3600 megahertz CL16 RAM, 16 gigabytes of that. 16 gigabytes is plenty for gaming PCs right now. If you're just doing gaming on it, you're fine. Gaming, Discord, you're golden. We're putting in a Crucial P2 1TB NVMe, one of our favorite, obviously, NVMe drives we use from Crucial. Putting this, like I said, putting this all on the MSI B550 Gaming Edge motherboard. Fantastic motherboard. For the graphics card, we're using the EVGA GeForce RTX 3070 XC3 Ultra. One of our favorite cards, one of our favorite 3070s. We're putting this all on the beautiful Phanteks P360A. Kazuma has a P360A in white. We're going to do a matching white cases, so it's going to look really nice on a stream setup when he has all the photos. Well, the two matching cases, two matching coolers. To cool in this, we're also cooling with the NZXT Z53 LCD AIO for NZXT. It's going to look really good. We're powering it with an EVGA Supernova, 750 watt Supernova from EVGA. And then for last but not least, for the cables, we're going to have some beautiful Asia Horse Pro cables. And I think we might throw a white RGB fan in there to make it, to tie everything together for him. Have all that RGB. It's gonna look good. White, or we'll do black. We might do black. We'll see. We'll ask you guys when we're building, what do you think, a white or black fan, RGB fan? We'll put it in there. But it's gonna be a beauty. We're gonna get started. Look at this one. Look at this board. Look at this board. The build we got coming up. Look at this thing. Woo. Smitty, you see what it is? Close up. If you guys want to see it. Chonky. That's the 3970. Yeah, it's a workstation. Yep. It's a 3970, 32 core CPU. It is going to be a monster. Yeah, for editing. Yeah, editing and game development. Yep. It's gonna have a 3090 in it too. Think of the rendering you can do, yeah. Plus you'll be able to game. He's in a game on it too with that 3090. It is gonna be a monster. Definitely a monster. You can render anything on that thing. 32 cores, Jesus. I was like, this is very similar to our gaming dad system. Very similar. Good to see it. As soon as I'm like, if he sees the photos, it's like, wait, this is almost my board. The only thing that's different is your board, really. The specs and the case and the theme, very similar. We got a big shipment coming in today. We got I think we have actually quite a bit of stuff coming in today and tomorrow. Onward and upward, right? Beautiful Ballistix RAM. Alright, so we're doing the standoff of the NZXT cooler. I'm gonna pop off the factory retention bracket they have for their stock cooler. So they all come stock with this retention bracket. This retention bracket that's already installed on these motherboards is meant for the Wraith Prism coolers that come standard with the 3700X and the 3900X. You remove these, and that's how you can install the Wraith in Stealth and just the regular Wraith coolers. They're just a ratchet down style. All right, further ado, time to take out the case. The whole motherboard is built. You guys take a peek at that. The beauty, B50 Gaming Edge. If you have questions, you can always ask us in the Discord. We're gonna be doing more like tech and support stuff from Roddy. If you guys haven't worked with Roddy for any kind of tech support, it's top notch. We do everything from like setting up programs, and we're gonna start offering actually program packages on our build soon. So if you want like Discord installed, Steam installed, Battle.net, you name it, we're gonna start having those installers already installed. So you just have to log in when you get your PC and install your games. We're gonna start doing more of those options for us, for everybody. So hopefully we'll have that real soon. Yeah, just more things to help speed up the time that you get right into gaming and right into enjoy your system. That's our goal. We're gonna mount the cooler here in a second. Case looks sweet. Yeah, it's a nice case. It's a really nice case. It's a P360A. It's one of the fantastic. We've been using this case for so long. It's crazy. I was like, I hope they'll get shorted out because I saw that Gamers Nexus just reviewed it as like one of the, like a really good case. I was like, crap, it's gonna start selling out everywhere. We've been using it for so long. Luckily, it has not been the case yet. Get it? Case. Bad jokes. All right, we're just gonna connect the top CPU cable right back here right now. Let's tuck in this wire that we're running. USB for the NZXT cooler. Oh wait, yes, guys, I'm really excited about this. Hopefully we're going to be ordering boxes, so all the PCs being shipped maybe in a couple weeks, we'll all have our logo on it. Stince built. They're higher end quality boxes. Take our shipping level even to even higher quality. Hopefully they're coming in the hopefully get them really soon, but they're going to have Stince built on the side of them. Let's go. We eventually want to be able to ship more of the international. Just right now, dude, the way shipping companies are handling their components, we were talking about yesterday in our Discord. It's been atrocious. So that's why we're investing in higher grade boxes. We're already, if you guys have seen a PC from us, we already pack it. Like, you can't do much more. So now we're just gonna try and get better, heavy duty boxes and look at getting even more like supportive foam. Because we pack, we love everything we ship out. I can't control what the UPS guy who makes $16 an hour wants to do with our boxes. You know what I mean? I can't control that. I can try and mitigate any kind of damage. And it's insane how they're shipping stuff lately. It literally makes me sick. They don't care. Like, the employees don't care. Some do. Not a lot do. Like our driver, we've had little Roy Toys in chat. He's one of our local drivers. He cares. But like a lot of other people, they don't care. You know what I mean? They're just trying to get a paycheck. All right, chat. What are you thinking? Should we do a white fan, or should we do a black fan in here in the back? A white fan might look good. Help pop it off a little bit more with a white.
Let's get ready to build.
What do you think, guys? Black or white fan? White fan? White? White? Okay. Kazuma's been a cool guy. It's his second PC. We've actually had quite a bit of people who buy second PCs, like streaming PCs, everything. They love, working with us. So he's a second time buyer. So we're gonna give him a fan, and we're gonna throw an extra fan in there. I think he's gonna buy a keyboard from us too. He wants to buy a keyboard next, he said. So we gotta work on that. Really cool guy. It's Kazuma. All right. All right. A couple more things to do. Just tape off a few things. So RGB, and then time for the thick boy. RTX thick emotes. It's no good here for the thickness. Go grab our GPU. Come our cable management. A little tougher in the system, but we're making it look good. Alright, we're almost done. Plugging in the last cable right now. Gotta manage these real quick. Good right there, chat. Look good. Alright, it's time. It's time. What time it is? Guys, thanks for another awesome video. Thank you for stopping in and showing us the love here on our YouTube channel. If you like what you see, make sure to hit that like button. If you like what you see even more, hit that sub button. And remember, we build these PCs you see live here on our YouTube every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday now over at twitch.tv/Stince. Come over, say hello, watch us build the PC, and ask any questions you have, and let's go.